In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar with HubSpot. Start on your HubSpot home screen and open Settings. In your user preferences, go to the Email section. Here, click Connect Personal Email, then choose Connect Your Inbox. Enter the email address that's linked to your Google Calendar so everything syncs to the right account, and click Next. When prompted, select Connect to Gmail, then continue to launch the secure Google sign-in flow. At the Google Account Chooser, pick the correct Google account associated with the calendar you want to use. If you see a highlighted option to proceed, click it to move forward. On the Permissions screen, review what HubSpot is requesting. In this example, select All Requested Access so HubSpot can log emails and send messages from the CRM when needed. Click Continue to confirm. Back in HubSpot, you may be offered a browser extension. In this example, select No, thanks to skip it. Now switch to the Calendar section in your user preferences. Click Connect Your Calendar, choose Google Gmail, and then connect your calendar. HubSpot will outline how it uses your calendar to check availability and create events. Click Accept and connect to Google to proceed. You'll return to Google to confirm the account again. Select the same Gmail account you used earlier and click Continue. Next, you'll see the calendar-specific permissions. Select All in this example so HubSpot can read your availability and create, update, or delete events it manages on your behalf. Briefly, here's why this matters. Allowing full access enables reliable scheduling links, accurate free busy checks, and automatic updates to meetings created from HubSpot. If you limit access, some scheduling features may not work as expected. You can adjust these permissions later in your Google account or HubSpot settings if your needs change. Click Continue to finalize. You'll be brought back to HubSpot where your Google Calendar shows as connected. From here, HubSpot can surface your availability, add meetings you book through the CRM, and keep your schedule in sync without manual updates. If you use scheduling pages or meeting links, they'll now reference your Google Calendar to prevent double bookings and reflect changes in real time. That's it. Your inbox and calendar are both connected, giving you a smoother workflow across email, meetings, and contact records. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, subscribe for more.